Want to create a video animation like this? Let's get started. First, import the footage you prepared into the timeline. Make sure you set the ratio and remove the original sound of your footage as audio. Next, set the clip duration to 3 seconds. Add keyframes at the beginning, middle, and end of the clip. On the first keyframe, move the clip to the right until it goes outside the frame. On the last keyframe, move the clip to the left until it goes outside the frame. Now duplicate the clip and place it exactly above the middle keyframe. Duplicate it based on the number of clips you want to use. Then replace each one with your footage. After that, add a black background footage and place it on the top layer. Then add a circle mask. Adjust it based on the example. Duplicate the black clip, then change the Y value to a positive number. Play the video to see the result. And that's it. Your video animation is ready. Simple, right? In the next video, we'll learn more editing techniques to improve your videos. So make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.